Let's take a look at how MaintainX can save us valuable time when it comes to generating procedures through the use of artificial intelligence. When we open the procedure template editor, we start by simply inputting a title. Next, we'll select an asset, an inspection type, and a frequency in order to give context for the prompt. The next field is the most important. We need to input a prompt which should outline the requirements we have for the procedure. For example, we can specify any measurements we want recorded as part of this inspection procedure. If we have a reference file, such as a PDF version of the procedure, we can attach that as well. Let's generate this procedure. It is important to review AI-generated procedures to make any necessary edits. For example, we can connect these two meter reading fields to the corresponding meters in our MaintainX organization. We can also adjust wording as well as remove and add fields where relevant. And we're done. With the help of AI, we have successfully created a procedure template in a fraction of the time it would have taken us to create it manually.